You need to understand the type of accounting and accounting methods that are going to be useful for your business. But it's the only legal deduction, which is really not a deduction.
Right. Right.
It's an income offset, right?
Correct.
It's not a deduction, but it's the only deduction for Schedule 1 substances. So, and that's 280E. As we always mention, your business partner, right? So don't try to avoid 280E. You just need to abide by it. And that's your one break that you have. The only break that you have is in COGS. So cost of goods sold, always very important. I'm glad you mentioned that, man.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that. Now, the next thing that should be on your checklist after COGS is inventory procedures. So any retailer in any industry does need inventory procedures, kind of a no duh, right? But what procedures do you have in place for your can of business, right? There needs to be monthly inventory checks, monthly inventory counts of what's going on. There's so much going on, cash being exchanged. There's a lot of product. There's a lot of, you can have somebody skimming off the side. You can have a person that you designate as the cashier who is ringing up, that's why you make sure your POS system is good, right? But they may be ringing up 10 grams and it's really 20, and you need to kind of figure this out. They might be ringing up 3 edibles and it's really 5, right? Kind of giving the homie discount. The homie discount cannot be on your watch. You're a business owner, right?